Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys techno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys techno mobile guys talkback disable setting. How to disable talkback in techno mobile one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you don't want to use talkback setting by mistake, you have enabled talkback. So when how to disable talkback? Friends, use your two finger, then you can disable talkback easily in your device. And friends, if you use one finger, you cannot swipe here, you cannot disable talkback. Use your two finger. Friends, open your phone setting, double tap, and friends, you can see after the package phone setting do not on. So friends, off your screen. Use your two finger, unlock your device. Again double tap here, phone setting will on. Friends, you can see this type interface in your Tecno mobile. Friends, in your Tecno mobile, click here hotspot setting. Use your two finger and scroll. Friends, click here phone special function setting, and friends double tap on special function setting. After double tap friends, click here smart panel setting. Use your two finger and scroll. Friends, click here accessibility setting. Double tap. Again scroll. Talkback setting. Double tap. Use talkback option. Double tap. Stop button. And press double tap. Talkback will disable in your device, and you can use your device without talkback setting. Talkback will off. Now you can use your device with one finger. So like that friends, we can disable talkback in Tecno mobile. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.